What's goody grind family, Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 best apps to make money from your phone in 2020. So if you're ready, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 best apps to make money from your phone in 2020. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And coming this month, sometime this month, somebody's going to win some free money. So please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. And also please drop a comment down below and let me know if you have any questions about what I've talked about today. And if you guys are ready to make money coming in 2020, put hashtag millionaire in 2020 in the comments below. All right, I want to go ahead and jump into this because I got 4 apps I need to tell you about. So I might go a little bit fast because I don't want to spend too much time on this video. I want you guys to know about these apps and get started right away. So please watch this video all the way to the very end so you'll know all the apps and so you can hurry up and get started making this money. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these 4 apps. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at the Google Play Store. Now, this first app is called SlideJoy Lock Screen Cash Rewards. So I'm gonna zoom through this pretty fast so I can get to the other apps. Like I said before, I got 3 more apps to tell you about, and I don't want to be all day. So I'm gonna zoom through this, so just pay attention. All right, so it says here, let me zoom in right quick. Get paid by your intelligent lock screen just for having news, deals, and promotions appear on your lock screen. So as you can see the promotion right there. So as you view that, you're just going to get paid. And deals and contents are tailored to your preference. So whatever you like, it's going to pop up for you to view. And how it works, slide right to your home screen, slide left to engage with content. Swipe up, access trending news right from your lock screen. Swipe down, access your phone notifications and shortcuts to your favorite apps. Earnings are updated daily, the next day. And cash, it says here, cash your carrots out for PayPal or gift cards. So basically that's how it works. And if you want to go ahead and try this out, and if you haven't tried it out before, like I said, I talked about it before, but if this sound interesting to you, you ready to start making some money just with your lock screen on your phone, go to SlideJoy Lock Screen Cash Rewards. It's only available on Google Play. For some reason, it's not available on iPhone. So let me go ahead and go to the next app. Okay, I'm at the next app. I'm still on the Google Play website. And name of this app is called Nelson Mobile App. Now, all you have to do with this app is install it on your phone. And what they're going to do is track what websites and stuff you go to. And they're going to pay you for that. So you really don't have to do anything. You can just install this on your phone and just do your everyday normal thing. Visit a website, watch videos or whatever, and they just gonna track it. Now, you don't have to worry about them getting your personal information or anything like that because they don't collect any IDs or passwords or any of your personal information. So, so you get paid. You can get paid through PayPal or just receive rewards. And this is available also not just in the United States, but in Australia, Germany, Italy, Japan, and a lot of other countries. So a lot of you guys that's in other countries will be able to use this app and make some money from it. So if you're interested in getting started with this app and start making some money in 2020 with this one, go to Nelson mobile app on Google Play. I'm sorry, iPhone users is not available for iPhone. Now let me go ahead and go to the next app. Okay, I'm at the third app and I'm on the Apple Store. I'm in the Apple Store. So here's for you iPhone users. Okay, inbox dollar surveys. Now I know I've talked about survey apps before, but this one is a real good survey app for 2020. And I'm gonna tell you why. But let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about this app right quick. So inbox surveys earn cash for sharing your opinion and completing surveys. Over 57 million in cash paid to members since 2000. Now that's why you should go ahead and use this app because they've been around since 2000. Before apps was even a thing. They've been on a website paying people money. So let me just read a little bit more. Earn cash for sharing your opinion and completing surveys. Join the millions of inbox members who have earned over 50 million in cash to date. Companies and brands want your opinion and we will pay you cash for it. You'll earn real money for surveys you can take every day. So, this is a good app to go ahead and start making money from it, just doing little simple surveys. And as you can see, out of 5 stars, it's 4.4. That's real good. And here's some reviews right here. You can read these reviews once you check out this app and download it. Now let me go ahead and go to the last and final app. Okay, I'm at the fourth and final app. It's called Rakuten. I'm probably not pronouncing it right, but it's Rakuten Ebates. It used to be just called Ebates, and I guess they have bought the company. Rakuten bought the company. So it's Rakuten Ebates, get cash back. So it says here, get cash back and coupons at 2,500 plus stores, Macy's, Groupon, Walmart, Kohl's. Earn up to 40% cash back with just one tap. Get coupons and free shipping codes. Get cash back for dining out. Get paid by PayPal or check. So basically, you're getting paid just to shop and do normal everyday things when you're out and about. And you can get paid through PayPal or they just send you a check. Now, here's the other reason why you should go ahead and start using this app. Soon as you download this app and sign up, they pay you $10 welcome bonus. So you get $10 right off the bat soon as you sign up, soon as you download and sign up with this app. And the other thing, well, let me just go through this right quick of everything you get cash back from. So as I said before earlier, you get cash back from brands and stores like Walmart. And you also get cash back through other restaurants. And you get cash back through food delivery services. And gift cards. And when you travel on vacation, you get cash back for booking hotel rooms and rental cars. And lastly, you get cash back when you go to the movies. So when you get cash from Fandango, Atom Tickets, StubHub, so entertainment and concerts, you get cash back that way too. And lastly, you can make some more money by referring a friend. You can earn $25 for every friend that signs up under your name or under your number. So that's how this app works, and this is a very good app. It's been around for a long time. And as you can see, out of 5 stars is 4.4. That's very high. And they have a lot of reviews here, so you want to check them out and read the reviews and see what other people have said about this app. All right, that concludes all 4 apps, and I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. This probably been a long video, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here right now. But before you leave, please hit that like button, and let's try to get up to 100 likes. And please drop a comment down below and tell me what you thought about this video, and tell me if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And also, if you see that code word to the most active subscribers out there that's trying to be a most active subscriber, don't forget to type that code word down in the comments below. And please share this on the internet everywhere. Share with your friends, family, on all social media networks, because I want to help everybody I can to become financially free and become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, thank you, Grind family, for always watching all my videos. Keep watching. I'm gonna keep dropping all this content, and let's get ready for 2020. We're going to the top. We're gonna make as much money as we can in 2020. So let's go. All right, before I leave, one more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. And I'll see you in the next video. So go watch some other videos. Peace.